Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. Loaded up with leather, really nicely equipped inside. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Vehicle's in beautiful shape, inside and out, really in great condition. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front fender. Driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Really nice condition. Taking a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in great shape. Headlamps are in beautiful condition. Take a close look here. Very nice. Grill's in beautiful shape. Take a look at that other headlamp, also in beautiful condition. Fog lights on the bottom look good. Very nice shape. Really beautiful shape. Look at the other fog light, also in beautiful condition. Does have a little crack on this piece here where the plate goes, nothing big. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the windshield. The windshield looks good. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Does have a couple little marks here on the glass. Little chip there. Nothing major. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the front passenger door, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. The mirror does have a couple little blemishes on here. Besides that, looks good. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Looks very nice. Quarter panel's in good shape. Very nice condition. Have a small little dent right there. I don't know if you can see it, small little tiny dent there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the rear. Rear hatch is in great shape. Let's take a close look here. Has a dent right here. It's got a scratch there that was touched up right here. Besides that, looks good. Rear glass is in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the rear bumper, parking sensors. It's got a couple scratches here on this plastic piece. And another blemish here on this one. Besides that, looks good. Okay, taking a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape, very nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape, nothing to show there. Very nice shape. Taking a look at the driver door panel, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Mirror's in good condition, doesn't have any marks or anything on it, looks super clean. Let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Really nice shape, does have a couple little chips here and there, nothing major. Really in beautiful shape. 2019, it's got about 90 on the clock, loaded up, beautiful condition inside and out, really an outstanding shape. Stay tuned, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel, driver door panel. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice shape. Look at the armrest there. Really great condition. Control for the power hatch, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice shape. Driver seats in beautiful condition. Very nice, super clean. Looks got perforated in the center. Really nice stitching. Brand new set of rubber floor mats all the way through. All three rows have it. Really nice, beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel looks amazing, looks brand new. Really nice condition. Look at the armrest there. Very nice, super sharp. Take a look at the passenger seat here in the front. Amazing condition. Super clean, look at that. Very nice. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Really nice shape. All right, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Take a look at the armrest with the stitching on there. It looks amazing. Take a look at the second row of seating. Looks really nice, super clean. Perforated in the center. Stitching. Full set of floor mats all the way through. All three rows have it. Really nice condition. Let's take a look at the third row. Really nice. Look at the mat on the third row here. Seats are in great shape. Beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the second row of seating here on the passenger side. Passenger side door panel looks amazing. Look at that, beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Take a look at the seat itself. Amazing condition on this one. Really nice. Full set of floor mats. All three rows. Very nice. In the center here, it has AC controls for the rear passengers with USBs. Really nice. Ceiling has vents for the rear passengers for the AC. Okay, let's take a look at the third row. Third row looks brand new, never sat in. Look at that. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Full set of floor mats all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT package. Really in beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the key fob here real quick. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and start this one up. It has a push button start here. So we'll leave the key here in the cup holder. Press the brake. Press the start button. Starts right up. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, all the Chevys, they always have the needles go all the way up and down. That's to make sure they're working correctly. You can see all of them are working. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage here. Mileage is 94,973. Okay, look at that. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on this one. So we have cruise control on the steering wheel. This controls the information center here on top. You can actually scan through it or whatever. So it has really nice. It has a bunch of settings here. You can go into the info, you can go into audio, phone. If you set up navigation with OnStar, you're good to go with that. Really nice. Right now we'll just leave it on a miles per hour there, which shows us the speed. So it looks like this vehicle has the automatic on and off of the engine, which that saves you some fuel on that. So it has it right there. Really nice. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other features on it. It does have Bluetooth, of course. And this is a leather steering wheel. We have leather seats also. So it's a really nice package. It's loaded up. This is the control for the mirrors, the window controllers, the locks, automatic lights with fog lights. Really nice. For the turning signals, the highlights, all functioning perfect. Front and rear wipers. There's the push button start there. Automatic transmission with manual shift modes if you want it. It's got a couple settings here for the transmission, traction control, parking brake. Down here below we have USBs, power plug. AC is climate control, so you can set different settings here, which is super nice. The fan controls, you can sync the whole system if you'd like. You got heated seats on both sides. Check that out. A really nice feature for you guys up north. Let's take a look in the information center. Here we go. So this is really nice. That's the audio controls. We're going to go through all of them. So then we have media. Really nice. So if we go to media here, there's nothing connected right now, so you have to pair your device. You can dismiss that. Let's go back again. Radio stations, you have XM radio, AM radio, FM radio. Super nice. So we'll just leave it on FM. We have the radio down anyway. Okay, so let's go back to home. The controls for the Bluetooth here. There's a bunch of phones there. You could all erase those and put your own phones in there. We'll go back to home again. Projector, so if you connect your phone with a USB cord, you can actually project whatever's on your phone onto the dash, which is cool. So you can use the navigation or whatever from Google and put it on there, which is super nice. You can answer your text through here, control the rear AC, OnStar. You can download more apps or whatever. These are the ones that are on there now. Super nice. And then the settings, we'll go into settings now to see what settings we have. So you have date and time. go back on that one. You have rear seat reminder in case you have a small child or something. You can turn that on. It'll remind you to check back there before you get out of the vehicle. Language, valet mode, Bluetooth. You can pair your devices on there. The voice commands. This one has voice commands. You can actually speak voice commands. You can see right there. Just got to learn how to say it or whatever and give them the controls. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, display, Wi-Fi. So we'll go back on that one here. Here we go. So now we're going to the vehicle one. Vehicle's good. Here, I'm going to show you the vehicle one real quick here. The vehicle one's important. That's the one that has all the safety features. So you have your climate control, your collision detection. So we'll go into that. So you have your parking assist, you have your rear cross traffic, and change lane alert. Those are the safety features this one has. Super nice. Power locks. Beautiful. Okay, that's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and leave it on the home page there. Down below here, we'll look at the AC controls we just did a little while ago. Really nice. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Take a close look here. Really nice shape. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. Center console's in beautiful shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Let's take a quick look. The headliner back there looks amazing. Check it out. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition all the way through. Let's take a look at the visors. There you go. There's one visor here. Here's the other one. Up above here, you have you can set up your garage door opener. You have 3 of them here in case you got a gate or whatever. The controls for the lights on top here, OnStar, and it tells you if the passenger side airbag is activated or not. Since there's no passenger there now, you're good to go. If there's one there, then it would be on. Okay, that's pretty much it. Really in beautiful shape, very nice condition. It's got 94,000 miles. Doesn't look like it does, but it's in really nice shape. Okay, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. Be right back. Okay, we're all set to go here. Let's take it for a little test drive. Feels nice and smooth. Brakes feel good. Really great drive. Super smooth. Really smooth drive. we go. We're gonna go ahead and check out the rear camera, and then that will complete our test drive. Okay, take a look there. So all you gotta do is turn the steering wheel. You can see it, those lines in there move, or you can select where you're gonna roll back. This one also has parking sensors, so it gives you a little thing here on the cluster letting you know what you're getting close to back there, because you're going to hit something or whatever. So right now it's showing two things here on the left. Go a little bit further back. Fantastic. Okay, so that's pretty much our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, the cargo area, and take a look at those tires. Be right back. We're going to go ahead and open up the rear hatch. So you just got to press the button back here. There you go. You could do it with the remote if you like also. So this is super nice. Look at this. Good amount of space back here. Those seats you can fold forward. Really nice. Down below here you got some storage back there. Look at that. Under that, that's where the spare tire is. Really great shape. All right, let's go ahead and close the rear door with the power. There you go. Fantastic. Beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment of this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. Take a close look here. Very nice condition all the way through. Super clean. Look at this. Very nice shape. 6-cylinder, a lot of power. Really an amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in really nice shape. Look at that. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks really nice. Great shape. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice condition. Look at that. Really great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire looks brand new. Look at the tire tread on that. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Rim is clean, is in beautiful condition. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.